After a long day, I come home to find that Prodigy has released yet another new update, and this one I am super glad about because I have been waiting on this specific update to happen since the shop designs were kind of remade a couple months ago. I have been waiting for the new shop design colors to be implemented into the backpack, and now they are. So, also, in case you did not know, the alien plant has returned from being unobtainable to become a new teacher reward. So, I have tutorials on how to create a teacher account. I made a community post about it as well. The link to that tutorial is in that community post. So, if you want to go check that out, you can. I'm glad that the alien plant is obtainable again. So here we can start out. We can already see that this is a little different. The order has changed on here. Now it goes top to bottom: hats, boots, wands, buddies, outfits, and relics, which is kind of different, and it will definitely take a while to get used to if they keep it that way. I'm not sure why they would change it though, so we'll have to wait and see. But the big change comes when you go to your backpack. Wait, why did I do that? My bad. Here we go. As we can see, we have the new shop design colors from a few months back in the backpack now. The backpack looks a little bit different. The designs have been shifted over some, so it takes up the whole thing basically. And I feel like this is going to call for the rest of the backpack to get updated as well, which I expect to happen at some point. But as we can see, we can now just see all these vibrant colors. The legendary has all the sparkles around it. Everything is just bigger. Like each item is shown bigger in in just its form. And it's so vibrant. I love the colors, just like I love them in the shops. Now, even if you are a member, you can see which items are members only, which is cool. But sometimes it looks like it's covering up part of the name a little bit, which is a bit odd. Wait, one thing I'm seeing here is that it's no longer showing the number of items that I have. It looks like they took out the numbers of each item that you have. I'm not sure I like that. I have been quite happy about the numbers of each item that I have gotten, that I've built up. And if that's just all gone now, hopefully it's added back. I'm not sure though. Defense is still misspelled on here, unfortunately. But it's the same thing as with the outfits. You can see all of the members only items. There's the clothes hanger that shows that is what you are wearing. And it looks just so much better. This looks a lot better with all the vibrant colors. A lot better. I'm missing the numbers beside the items that I have multiple of. I really want that back because I've been proud of some of those numbers that I've collected. I wonder if that's on all of them, like all the currencies and stuff and the buddies. I guess I'll have to see. It looks like some of these things are taking a little bit to update sometimes too, so like it switches over. Maybe that's just part of it being new, or maybe it's something that's just how it'll be. But of course the same thing is with boots. We can just go all the way down with the boots. It's got the speed bonuses. This just looks a lot better in vibrancy. Here are our buddies. Yes, we got all these heroic buddies. Now, of course, in the order of being added to the code has happened in the last gear update. So we've got all these buddies. The double puppy. We've got... Yeah, we can see now that there's like the two buddies that were made. The first common rarity buddy, the pumpkin bat. But yes, it looks like all the items have had their numbers removed too. That is quite weird. What happens if you use one? Do you still have multiple of them? Or does it just go away? I don't want to try it out. I don't use them usually anyway, but I wonder what would happen in that scenario. And all the numbers on the currencies are gone too? That's weird. I actually think, well, that makes me think that this is something that they'll add in later, because that would make no sense for there to be not showing how many of each currency that you have. That does not make any sense at all. My numbers were still in the shop when I accidentally checked, so it looks like that is still intact. But we'll have to see. Hopefully the numbers to the shops, the numbers of how many items that you have are added back sometime soon. So yes, I also heard that there was a new PvP battle update. Like everyone starts out at level 50 or something, and there's like multiple rounds. I haven't tried that out yet. We'll have to see though. I might we'll see that when I next do a live stream. But yes, so this is the new crazy shop update. Not shop update, backpack update. I'm so glad about this. I've been waiting for it for a long time, and it looks amazing. The only setback I have is that the numbers have been removed. So, what do you think about this new backpack update? Let me know in the comments.